How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Instagram, go to your profile. After that, go to following. Then select a account which you want to check whether or not they follow you or not. Then go to their following. If you are on their top of the following list, then they follow you. If not, they don't. So you just have to unfollow them individually. There is no shortcut to unfollow people that don't follow you back, but you have to do it manually. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.